Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
I can call him, he's a magician. Okay? Not a politician.
Sumbuan Menteri Rangba Gajalau ba Prestone Tynsong ulakno o National Spokesperson jongko All India Trinamool Congress Saket Gokhale udai magician ba umdai satya politician. Namar batang arbanai bu lawan khanang shanong ba shlong ulatip lut nadong shadong ya Gajala Meghalaya. Kini kejing kentho jong ba Prestone kalong hadian ba Gokhale ulakop yatainya khmat ilat pathai khubor yau sumbut Menteri Rangba bat yau Menteri Rangba Gajala Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Hakabay day baka jingbam hokshu ka sinchar ka khadar ha Meghalaya hapo ka jing sinchar jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka National People's Party. Haka jing akran bigilat pathai khubor haka arp khnai tarik unai luar arajar arpuar uba Prestone ulaong bo Gokhale umdai satya mentuklar ya ka sinchar ka khadar ha ka Jilla Meghalaya henry udai ban leit tuklar sha ka Jilla West Bengal bala sinchar da ka Trinamool Congress.
Send for what? Who is he? I said. With due respect, I would like to ask him, who is he? Simple. And then see every state unit, be it BJP, be it NPP, be it TMC, they used to have their own state unit spokesperson. And this fellow, I don't know, I don't know.
National spokesperson.
Oh, national spokesperson. That's why he talked from Delhi only. Okay. Why? We are not scared. It's not a question of hiding, or it's not a question that we don't want to challenge. But why should we spend time with him? Who is he? Are you trying to say that he knows better than any one of you who are from here, who stays here, who walk here? Are you trying to say that he knows better than you? This is my question. You get it? This is my question. I think the best person who will know exactly what is going on is the people of the state of Meghalaya. I don't know this so-called spokesperson. He's from where? Is he from Calcutta or I don't know, West Bengal? Is it like that?
Mumbai.
Huh?
Mumbai.
Or from Mumbai? Then he should, spend more time to talk in favor of his government in West Bengal. See, a person who does not have job, who does not work, let him challenge every day. Okay? 2 months. If you say 2 months, you know everything. I can call him, he's a magician. Okay? Not a politician. Means a magician. Hakijing sisa spokesperson jong kanungan ko party halak jong state de bandon. De maki ke bade ban take up, de maki ke ban kren. Ngridung tao national spokesperson. Ngom pila pet ba u BJP le u Congress hanu siya kon kren thabi ka tang di. Haba ong kita national spokesperson pila kan kren. Tang ba kadon klibit maki ki don uyok. Ultimately kin thak kren ki tu ki state unit jong ki. Bagi dia ben kren kumta. Tedringa i kumaka TMC ni kalong disorganized. Hakabay mat kamtip ialah kajong ke protokol hapo party kaba nungkom kadai ban yai step by step naka district naka district kadai ban poy ka state kadai ban poy ka national.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.